everybody, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you the best way to hydrate your skin and have a lovely youthful glow. On this channel, as you all know, what I do best is to teach you how to have a beautiful and lovely skin. Your skin is your outer representative in the world, so it's very important that you take proper care of it. Nobody will do this for you except you. So today, if you don't use serum at all, I want you to have a rethink. It's a very good part of your any natural beauty routine. So if you want to have a beautiful, baby soft, a younger, radiant skin, you need to imbibe serum in your skincare routine. So today I will show you two serums that will help you have a lovely, youthful, glowing skin. The number one serum I highly recommend for hydrating your skin is hyaluronic acid. This serum is the first serum everyone should use in the morning. So if you don't know about hyaluronic acid, it is a very important component of natural skincare because it helps reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's going to help retain moisture on the skin. It actually binds moisture on the skin 1,000 times, so it's a very good moisturizer. It helps. Number one ingredient for hydrating your skin is hyaluronic acid serum. So you ask me, okay, how will this benefit me? This is going to help protect your skin. It's going to hydrate it. It also will help increase cell production. It will fight free radicals, and it's going to help your skin stay youthful. It's going to give you a plumper and smoother skin. This is exactly what hyaluronic acid serum does. I know you watch here on YouTube a lot of video on how to do yourself. Be careful of DIY videos. They have their own dangers. So do not do hyaluronic acid yourself if you're not into skincare formulation. So this I highly recommend. The professional version by Pure Blend Natural has aloe vera extract and vitamin E. So it's it's have actually added actives to give you a more glowing complexion. So make sure you put this into place. And how do you use in the morning after washing your face, toning your face? Then you're going to take 1 or 2 drops. Like I always show you on this channel, you rub it, okay, to activate the actives, and you apply it on your face. Instantly you will feel the softness on your skin. Okay, you rub it in a circular, gentle motion. If you notice that it has dried off, take 1 or 2 more, then activate it, then you rub it in a gentle circular motion. You're going to allow this to rest for 30 to 60 seconds before you apply your daily moisturizer. And that's the first part. So the next part is after our skin is hydrated, it's fine, but there's something you should use the night before, and this is why a lot of people get it wrong. The night before, meaning in the evening before you go to bed, there's a serum that you have to use, a very important serum that a lot of people don't use. We all have hyperpigmentation issue, and oftentimes we have enlarged pores. These are caused by free radicals that we encounter in the hair. They are the environmental pollutants oftentimes that come in contact with our skin in the course of the day. So what do you do, okay, to deal with this issue? I will recommend Niacinamide serum. Niacinamide, also called vitamin B3, helps the skin build keratin. I know it's going to a form of keratin is a form of protein that keep your skin firmer and more healthy. It keep it firmer, radiant, and more healthy. And trust me, this will help to reduce your pore appearance. It's going to reduce redness, blotchiness. It's going to regulate oil production, meaning your skin will not be too oily or too dry. So also it will protect you from sun damage. And another very important function of niacinamide, vitamin B3, is that it helps, you know, prevent pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, pigmentation. Also, it helps to reduce, you know, fine lines and wrinkles. It's very, very, you know, helpful. If you have enlarged pores right now, you know, this is what you should be using. I highly recommend this, and a lot of clients have used it with great success. So at night before you go to bed, you wash your face. You wash your face, you pat it dry, you tone your face. Okay, if you don't know how to do this routine, look into the channel for my other video on how to, you know, what you have to do to keep your skin radiant and glowing. After doing that, the next thing you want to do now is to take your serum at night before you go to bed. So you use Niacinamide serum at night, okay, to help regulate oil, help, you know, tighten your pores, and it's going to help you, you know, treat and prevent hyperpigmentation. So you take 1 or 2 drops, and the good thing about this serum by Pure Blend Natural is the 10% one. This also has another function, very important function. It brightens your skin. So this helps to brighten the skin. So you take it, rub it a bit, then you apply. On a toned and washed face. Don't forget, just apply it. When you're going to bed at night, you don't necessarily have to use a moisturizer. You can apply this and just go to bed. Or if there's a special moisturizer that you use at night, you might as well apply it probably after 1 to 2 minutes of the application of this. So that's exactly the best way, you know, to hydrate your skin and to, you know, tackle hyperpigmentation and so on and so forth. Now, that being said, these 2 serum, if you don't have any serum at all in your cupboard, make sure you get this 2. It's going to help a long way to give you a brighter complexion or younger looking radiant skin. Now, you ask me, is it a must to use this? If you do not have any pigmentation issue, no sun damage, no redness whatsoever, your skin is soft and smooth, you just don't, you can get this and just use tiny amounts. It's going to help, you know, prevent sun damage eventually when you go out in the morning. This is already, you know, has already prepared your skin to fight sun damage. So that's why it's very important. This is one of the most expensive serum out there, but at Pure Blend Natural they give it for a discount price, because most niacinamide serum on the market are not 10%. This is one of the top in line. It's 10% raw niacinamide serum. So do well, look in the description box below for how to get your own, and follow the instructions that I said in this video to have a lovely radiant skin. And keep in mind, it's very important also that you sleep well. Don't forget, good sleep also contributes to healthy skin. So after we've applied all this, we cannot forget to sleep well, because it has to the bottom line, it also has to our complexion and, you know, the look of our skin. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question about these 2 serum and where to get them, feel free to drop in the comment box below. For a special discount for skincare coin fans only, look in the description box below for how to save on this product. Thank you so much for watching.